I wish I would, at least if you were gonna do that, it could have been live on YouTube and made everybody laugh. All right. Let's see. We're waiting on that insurance. Miss Lewis, I can't hear you. She's all masked up. You didn't have to take the mask down. All you had to do was unmute yourself.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
All right, where are you with their driver's license? Do you have a license?
Yes.
Can you please run her license? If your license is good, we'll offer you just the expired plate and dismiss the misdemeanor, and I'll fine you $145. Did you have a good plate on that day?
Yes, it was COVID, so I had to wait for my appointment.
What do you have to say about that, Miss Triplett?
No, that's what I'm saying. That's why it was expired, because it was COVID.
No, I know. I'm trying to.
I got it. I got it.
You have a plate now, right?
Yes.
All right, Miss Triplett. Mr. Goss is sitting right here. What do you have to say about that? You got to unmute yourself too.
Could you repeat that?
I'm sorry. We asked. Let me see, Sharina. We're asking for, I guess, a dismissal as to that count, Your Honor, because she has valid plates.
Let's check the driver's license first. Let's do the first things first.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, I'm running out of paper. The ink in the printer is running out. This driving record is so bad.
It's smoking over there.
She gonna blow the thing up.
But it's still going.
It's still going.
Wow. Nobody never used those words.
This is like a book. But it's valid though. But it's valid. She didn't say it was, she didn't talk about how good or bad her record was. She just said it was bad. All right, now let's move to the second issue. I'm gonna let the lawyers hash that out right in open court. Let's put it on the record. Hold on, let me call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Shanika Rochelle Lewis, case numbers SP 11904 for 1 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearances for the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the City of Detroit.
You're Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Ms. Lewis.
All right, so Ms. Lewis, the date and time set for an arraignment, on this, and you indicated off the record. I asked you what your driving record was, or whether your driving license was valid or not, because you have a no ops-on person. You indicated that you did. We ran your driving record, and the Secretary of State agrees with you. You also have an expired plate, and you indicated on the record that the only reason the plate was expired at the time is because of the COVID situation and you not being able to get an appointment on time. So I'll leave it up to Ms. Triplett and Mr. Goss. Who wants to go first? I guess I will leave it for you, Ms. Triplett.
Judges, my understanding, she says she now has a car that is registered. Did I hear that correctly?
You heard that correctly.
So that being said, as well as her having a valid license, I'd ask that the two matters before the court today be dismissed.
Your Honor, I don't object, but we haven't seen any proof that the registration is valid.
All right, so you got some proof, Ms. Lewis?
My
You send out-
I'm in the car now. I can show you the plate.
No.
That's fine.
What about the paper registration?
Check out 2022.
Well, go ahead, do what you gotta do then.
Oh, there it is.
I was gonna make it easier for her.
2021. Your Honor, I move to dismiss both charges.
All right, very
Due to
well.
compliance.
Thank
All
you.
Ms. Lewis,
Yeah.
your attorney one, I want to dismiss both the matters, due to providing valid documentation.
Yes. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right. Who's next?
Okay, we sent the documents. They're from Angelina Gibson because I'm on my personal phone and I wasn't able to send them, but they're sent to you through Angelina Gibson.
All right, let me wait till those documents get here.
No, you have them already, sir.
How are you gonna tell me what I have?
Oh, okay. No, I sent them like 5 minutes. Okay.
I haven't gotten them yet.
Okay.
I'm sitting there looking at my screen right now.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, you got it. Oh, shit.
No, I thought that maybe you would be looking at it from my Gmail, but I didn't send it through my Gmail.
We need to hurry up and get you out of here. You know too much. Said earlier today, he said he want to defer. He said his record is not bad. He's gonna defer. Okay. Then I look at his record. He got all kind of tickets. All right. Now let's go to Mr. Brent Lyles.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Lyles.
Oh,
Yeah, he's drove one, the allegation is 1 to 15 over.
no, Your Honor, Brett Lyles has no op on page 4, 1115 over on page 5.
Yeah, but it's still two charges, and you have an offer here that wants to plead to the limited access, 10-0.
Yeah, but if you have a license, it might be better.
Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit.
Hello. I'm sorry, I had lost connection.
This is the city of Detroit versus Brent Doyle Lyles, case numbers SP 115866161, SP 118687771. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Lau, P number 69160.
Mr. Lyle, do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, I do.
Driver's license, please. All right, both of those tickets were had on the same day. All right, sir, if you have a driver's license, then the deal today is gonna be blocking traffic, $175 for that speeding.
Yes, please. No points.
There's no
Right,
point.
no points.
Not like Miss Love situation where you're going 31 over, but it's 11 to 15, and it's on 8 Mile. Hopefully you're going out 8 Mile.
Well, actually, it was at 7 Mile going east at Pontchartrain. He wrote it in the totally wrong spot.
Well, then you got a lawyer there for something that too. 'Cause I don't know how he gets from Pontchartrain to 7 Mile all the way over to 8 Mile in Greenfield. That's a long way.
Yes, sir. I was right by the police station on 7 Mile.
Well, you can fight it if you want, but if you don't want, his license is valid. If you don't want to fight it, then that deal is open. But I can also get you into the breakout room with the lawyer, and she can help you make an informed decision if you want. But if not, $175 today.
Can I break out with her and then make a decision?
Definitely. I would encourage you to do that.
Yes, please.
That is Mr. Cortez Lawrence.
Yes.
Let's see what Mr. Lawrence has. It's only 2 matters too. You got plates? You got insurance plates on there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Let's see it. The registration.
I don't have I misplaced my registration, but I can show the proof of title, and I could show you the proof of I could go out to my car and you can see my plate with the tag. Because actually I showed proof the next day. I came up there and showed proof. But if you want me to go outside and, to my car, I'll go right now.
All right, I still haven't gotten that, Mr. Lillard. If you can pull it up, he can pull his up too, Ken. Do you have a copy of that on the that you?
Yeah, right there, yeah.
All right.
Turn it on the way.
Turn the other way. Put it up on the screen. All right, that's registration. Let me see that again. That's for, are you looking at that? Chevy. Yeah, I can't see a Chevy. What are the last 4 digits of that vehicle number?
Yeah, no, it's okay.
That wouldn't matter. They don't have the vehicle number on here anyway.
Yeah, but if you can't get the registration without insurance, so that's I'll buy it.
You're fine. All right. We're back on the record with Mr. Savan Mario Lillard. And you're getting a very good deal here, sir. They're going to dismiss, and you plead to blocking traffic as well. And all the other cases will be dismissed. That's for the traffic control device. You can't be running those red lights. You want to take that deal or you want to go to trial? $175. I don't hear you. You're on mute.
Can you explain it again?
Blocking traffic for the running the red light ticket and dismissing all the other tickets, $175, no points, like an expensive parking ticket.
Okay.
No abstraction to the Secretary of State, nothing.
That's a deal.
It is a deal. Who's out there? Who's over there advising you?
Nobody. Well, that's my woman, but she's not advising me. I mean.
She was helping you. You looked over there when I said something. You looked straight at her.
I can't listen to you and her.
Get that permission.
It's okay. We all do it.
All right.
That's how you get permission.
Let's see. So, well, I'm gonna raise your right hand, sir. The other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I just stated in the record?
No, sir.
You put your hand down, sir. Sir, let me take your attention back to April the 6th, 2021, at around 4:43 a.m. in the area of Davison and Conan. Sir, did you have an occasion to be pulled over by Detroit police on that day?
Yes, sir.
On that day, did you get pulled over for running a red light?
Yes, sir.
And you got pulled over for running a red light because you actually ran that red light. Is that correct?
No, no.
What did you do?
It was turning yellow, so I'm about.
All right. So there it is. You ran a yellow light, right?
Yes, sir.
There it is. That's all we need, because you're about to mess that deal up. Because it's red or amber. You can't run an amber light either. But anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna find you responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic. That's 0 points. That's no abstraction on your driving record. I'm gonna fine you $175, and I'm gonna dismiss all these other cases that you have, because you did provide the valid documentation for the registration and stuff. So when can you pay, sir?
Today.
Very good. All right, I'm gonna put down that you'll have it paid by October 15th, just for the computer's purposes. And I'll put it as a review for 8:25 a.m. If you haven't paid it by Friday, you need to zoom back in and explain to the court what's going on. Other than that, can you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal on that stuff? He has pled responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic, and everything else is dismissed from Mr. Lillard.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
We're ready on Mr. Lyles, Your Honor. Brent Lyles.
I'm gonna pay that shit.
Okay. Mr. Lillard, you're free to leave. Okay. So, Mr. Lyles.
Yes.
Let's go with Mr. Lyles. This is the city of Detroit. Did I call the case already? Let me see.
Yeah.
I did?
Yes, you did.
All right. Mr. Lyles, we're back on the record with Mr. Brent Lyles. This is a matter that you've been offered blocking traffic as well for the speeding ticket. And for the no ops ticket, we have pulled your driver's license. It is valid. I gave you some opportunity to speak with the city attorney, and you did speak with her. I'm strike that, not city attorney, the house counsel in this triplet. And Ms. Triplet, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, after speaking to Mr. Lyles, he wishes to avail himself of the offer.
All right, very well. And Mr. Lyles, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So the offer is to plead to the responsible for the blocking traffic and dismiss the misdemeanor failure to display a valid operator's license, because you do have a valid operator's license. All right. So, Counselor, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the stop?
Yes, Your Honor. I don't know. Is there any way that we can amend it to the location that Mr. Lyles was referring to?
That would be on the police and the city attorney, I would come to.
We do stipulate that it was in the city of Detroit, however.
Right. Then they have to also rewrite the ticket.
You'd have to get the officer to rewrite the ticket, unless you want to set a trial date up, formal hearing.
No, I think Mr. Lyles is okay with the way it is, Your Honor. We stipulate to it the way it is for factual basis.
That was in the city of Detroit.
I don't
Yes,
know,
absolutely.
If some ghost come up one day, Mr. Lyles, were you in 8 Mile in Greenfield? Well, this ticket says you were.
No.
All right then. Well, if you're fine with the way that is, we can take the plea like that. I don't really like doing that, but you can't amend it because you didn't write it. Well, I guess your client, you could amend it is your client and you're here on his behalf.
But I
It's
have
a
no
civil
way to
infraction.
amend it to, the ticket. I have no way to do that. That I don't have access to their, computers and all that. I'm gonna pass the matter. I'm gonna have you back on a trial date, formal hearing.
So, Your Honor, I mean, okay, that's fine. I'm currently on
You
the
might get it
floor.
dismissed if you might get it dismissed.
The issue, Judge, is he's in nursing school. He's actually in nursing, supposed to be in class right now. I don't know if this can be scheduled for a day he's not in class. He's in Toledo at the Hondros College of Nursing. He goes 3 days a week, Your Honor.
All
So
right,
he was hoping to get it over with today.
I understand that, and I want to get it over with for him, but I don't want him to just, we have to be accurate, and if the officer has made an error like this, I don't know what would make him make an error like that, or is Mr. Lyles does Mr. Lyles not know where he was, or
Well,
what?
I live on Livernois. I live right around the corner. I live on Livernois
No,
between
I
7 and 8.
I understand that.
I mean, although it's an error, it's not material for the ticket. Is there any way that a supervisor may be able to amend the ticket from the city?
This is first, I have no idea, if that's possible.
Can we find out? Can we make a phone call?
Yeah, you can make a phone call. Well, I'll just tell him, I mean, what does it come back on one other visit? You're not gonna do any worse than what you got today. You may do better and save yourself $175.
Yes, sir. What date would
Okay.
that be?
January 27th, 2022.
Yeah, that's what they did.
What day do you not have class? Well, the new semester is probably.
Yeah, it'll be a new semester.
And then
But
I'll tell you this, when you get your, he's very accurate. Yeah, I'm looking at the officer that wrote it. He's pretty accurate all the time. When you get your, if January 27th, 2022 doesn't work for you, just call the court. We'll fix it. We'll make it happen.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, so I'm gonna give you a trial and a formal hearing date.
Yeah, just for him. Same officer. Don't matter.
Yeah, it's gonna be the same officer. I'm gonna give you a trial, formal hearing on January 27th, 2022 at 9 a.m. You come in first, you'll be first. We'll get you out. I do give the officer a half-hour grace period, so 9:30, so you can check in anytime in between then. And then we'll figure it out on that day, but I'll make sure that you are offered blocking traffic
Okay, thank you.
was the offer, and we'll know that because you couldn't take it because the ticket seems like it's factually, facially, defective on its face, so I'm sure.
His assertion.
Well, that's what I said, his assertion. I said it seems like, I didn't say it was.
I'm just
My
making sure the record
traffic was, all right. There's nothing further. Good luck to you, sir. And make sure you get that, that nursing degree, because you're gonna make a whole lot of money.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Triplett.
You're welcome. Take care. Good luck to you, hon.
Thanks a lot.
This is the city of Detroit versus Cortez Maurice Lawrence. Case numbers SP 1210845, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Lawrence, who's present. Mr. Lawrence, please state your name for the record.
Cortez Lawrence.
All right, Mr. Lawrence, you said you provided us, you showed your plate, and the city attorney was satisfied with that. So with that being said, we're going to dismiss both of your matters.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
All right, anything further?
No, sir.
Nothing for defense. Mhm.
All right.
probable cause. Stipulation.
Then can you stipulate the probable cause, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that being said, we're gonna, wait, let's see. Why did you have this other one written? Oh, and I'm gonna also say that you paid a related civil infraction with that anyway. All right, so if there's nothing further, sir, have a great day. Listen, don't, on those civil infractions, I don't recommend that you pay that stuff. Because if you pay a no proof of insurance, there's no points. But if you pay a red light ticket, or if you pay a speeding ticket, you're gonna get all the points associated with that. You need to set a court date along with, but you gotta make sure you set a court date and a formal hearing date, along with the other tickets like you did. All right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a great day, sir. All right, Green?
Yes. Hello.
Let's go Green.
Yes.
Did I get that pronunciation right?
Yes, it's pronounced right.
So, okay, I see him here. He's only got 2 matters too.
State trooper.
Yep, no ops. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's pull his license.
I have an
Yeah.
Ohio driver's license. That's where I stay.
Huh?
I said I have an Ohio driver's license. That's where I stay.
You pull an Ohio driver's license?
No, yeah, I can see what they put in the system and see what they wrote it. I mean, you probably can see that yourself.
Oh, it really doesn't matter.
I can run it, but they probably gave him a temporary one.
No, he's got all these tickets anyway. I know he doesn't have a Michigan license. All right. So,
Yeah, they issued them one. You want me to run it?
you can line it, but I know it's suspended. Let's pull his file.
Okay, run it.
All right. Suspended. He's 21 years old.
Sorry, I lost connection. Hello.
Yeah, we're here. This is the city of Detroit versus Lisco Ronaldo Jarrell Green. Case numbers. Is he still there?
I'm
Yes.
joining back. It's not, I don't know, something's wrong with my phone. I lost connection.
Case number
Hello?
SP. You hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
SP 996629, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, and SX 3766769 and SX 3870761. Strike that. Strike, let's just call it SX 3870761, counts 1 and counts 2. All right. Mr. Green, you have violation of the basic speed law. That's a 2-point offense and a no ops ticket, but you don't have a Michigan driver's license. And you have a driving unregistered, untitled, a no insurance misdemeanor, and a driver's license never acquired.
Yeah, I had my driver's license at the time, and I had insurance on my car and everything.
So, do you have proof of that?
I don't have the car anymore. I have a new car, so no.
You don't have the old certificate?
No, not anymore. Cause it was under a lease. Cause I had given back to my dealership, and I also had insurance at the time and a title with it.
So let me ask you this: you went out and bought yourself a brand new car, sir?
Well, I'm not. I didn't buy it. I'm financing it. A new car.
A new car. This is for a Chevy 2002 Chevy.
So that one. Oh no, that's okay. That one. That's I had got that one like it really wasn't mine. It was my sister's, and I had got it in my name for her. That's where the tickets that came from. I had forgot about that. I thought this was for another ticket.
The 2017 Chrysler?
Yeah, that's what I thought it was for. The Chrysler. I had insurance on the Chrysler and the registration and everything for it, because that was my new car that I had before I got this one.
You get a ticket for that. You got a ticket for not having a driver's license, and you got a ticket for the violation of the basic speed law. So speeding. You got other tickets in that 2002 Chevy. Driver's license never acquired, 2019, no insurance, and unregistered, untitled.
Yeah, those tickets were because I had the car in my name, but it wasn't me that was driving, but the tickets were in my name, so I had to go to court for those.
Well, I don't know why. I don't know why you got a ticket for driver's license never acquired because you drive.
Yeah, cause the person that was driving, she didn't have a driver's license, and the car was in my name, so they sent it to me. And actually, I do have the registration for it, but I don't have it on me at the moment. But I do have the registration for that 2002 Chevy, though.
You want a trial date, Ms. Green?
What day would it be for?
January 27th, 2022.
Okay.
Are you in the state of Michigan now, sir?
No, not at the moment.
Where are you now?
Toledo.
And do you go to school down there?
No, I had just moved down there because I worked there.
You work in Toledo?
Yes.
You work for Chrysler in Toledo?
No, I work for Foot Locker. I work at the mall.
Okay. All right. All right, I don't know if do you have a valid Ohio license?
Yes.
I don't see how he has a valid Ohio license, but that's gonna be, I'll waive these, I'll set aside these warrants. and I'll set it for trial on all the matters for January 27th, 2021.
Okay.
All right. Bring that, bring those certificates and that'll help you, your case out.
Okay, thank you.
Anything further, sir?
No, not that I can think of.
January 27th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day. All right.
You too.
All right, that'll do it.
Is that everybody? Okay. It was a
Everybody-
pleasure, Judge.
Always. Everybody that showed up.
Great.
All right, I will see you next time.
All right. Thank you, Judge. You all be safe. Take care.
You as well.
All right, Your Honor. See you in the morning, you guys.
I'll see
Okay,
you
have a
in the
good
morning.
one.